Hey there, for all of you IBM fanboys, look what I have here. It's an old motherboard made by IBM in Mexico. I'm especially impressed by this massive heatsink and fan unit sitting on top of the processor, which is sitting under all this as well. So I just want to take this thing apart and have a look underneath. This, I can't tell the exact age of this motherboard. I'm looking for something to tell me the age. It says there 2002, almost 20 years old for this Intel chip. Of course, this is going to be wholly outdated by now. But I'm just impressed by this massive piece of hardware sitting on top of the processor. They needed to have some cooling, and I wanted to open it up on camera so we could have a look together and see what's under here. Alright, it's getting there. Did we not lift this up enough? Okay, that's better. Let's try this side. Come on. What am I missing here? No, it's just more to unscrew. And still screwed in there. Yep, it's just a very large screw. There we go. Okay, so we got it off. That's it there. There's the thermal compound. Big copper pipes in there. Dust everywhere, unfortunately, but this fan was blowing through all these fins, as you can see there. And yeah, no, just a massive amount of cooling there. And what do we have here under all this? Good question. Let's see if we can find what's under here. The little label. Look at that. What is this? This tiny little processor. And it is Intel Pentium 4. Pentium 4, 2003, 2.8 gigahertz. Yep, that's it. Under all that was this chip. Intel, so 17 years old, Pentium 4. You need a lot of cooling and some dust, which I believe just got in there now. But there you have it. Just thought it was quite impressive to see such a massive heatsink on this little tiny chip. But I guess it got really hot back in the day, and they needed it to cool things down, maybe keep it running at a nice fast speed. Very heavy duty motherboard. Sadly, too slow to do much with these days. Not enough memory handling capacity either. So off to the recycling, but I just wanted to show you a nice little bit of kit from the past, made by none other than IBM when they were still called IBM, and it will be missed. Again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick video teardown of an IBM vintage motherboard for an Intel Pentium 4 chip. Thanks for watching.